Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to learn about something new, which is conditional formatting. You may have used this, but just to refresh, let's start. Now we do our formatting day in, day out, but suppose we want to do some formattings automatically if we have a standard data. So now in this case, I have a list of sales which I have done, and I want to do a conditional format. I want to highlight it with some fonts, specific fonts or specific colors. Now suppose first way of doing it, now suppose we have sales here and I want to format or just highlight sales which are less than 2000 rupees. So one way of doing it, just to select the data, go to conditional formatting in the home tab. There is an option highlight cell rules. You can go there, select less than, just type 2000. Whatever format you want, you can do that. You can change fonts or anything else, borders, fills, anything. Just say OK. Now it will automatically format based on the value of the field, which is less than 2000. Now suppose to check it, suppose we change this value to say 1500, it will highlight. This is one way of doing it, but it's not highlighting my other items on the same row. Suppose I want to highlight the entire row when I give a condition. For that, we need to do is a condition formatting by use of formulas. First, we will remove this formatting. You have to go to condition, select this conditional formatting, manage rules, select it, and say delete and apply. Now I have my data. I want to apply a conditional formatting using formula. So same thing we will use less than 2000. I'll go to conditional formatting. You have to select new rule. In new rule, you will find an option which is use a formula. In that, you have to go type a formula which is say equal to, say click on the row which is now it's F6, which has a value. Click only on that row. If you see there is a freezing in the row and column, we have to remove the freeze, which is a dollar sign, from row only. Let freezing of column be there. Say equal to, I want a less than say 2000. So 2000, that is F6 less than 2000. It should format that cell to say a color which is say green, and say it should be bold and italic, or say italic only. Let's say OK. Now since it's not less than 2000, it's not highlighting, I want to highlight the entire row. I have to just copy the formula, so say Control C and paste special. You know the formula for paste special? Shortcut key is Alt ES. So that's the paste special tab. Select formats only and just paste. Now you can see it's highlighting the entire row with green color and italics. Now if I change any value of any row, if I say 3000 is not, it's just 1400, it will change the format automatically. So that's how you can do permutation combination, whatever is your report, and do your formatting, conditional formatting using different options available in conditional formatting. That's all for today. Thank you.